We will log in with our previously registered user account and click on Access Now. Once logged in, we click on the Store icon and search for the new application, Open BIM COVID-19. Then we click on Download. The application is free. We will download a compressed folder with the files for the application's installation. We have downloaded the compressed file to the desktop. By double-clicking, we can access it. To install the program, select the desired language. First, we will install BIMserver.center Sync, which is a synchroniser that keeps projects updated in the cloud. We click on Install. We will continue with the installation, clicking on Accept. We will install the program in the default folder and click on Finish. Once the application has been installed, we will see in the bottom right an icon with a green tick. We click on Add BIMserver.center account. We enter the email and the password. And finally, we install the Open BIM COVID-19 application. We run the program and connect to BIMserver.center, entering the username and password. We create a new job. We create a new project in BIMserver.center and access the program to start working.